Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make tempered white rice Sri Lankan style. So let's get started. So the ingredients for this recipe are 200 grams of Suduru Samba rice. Samba is better than Basmati for this recipe. 1 large onion that I've sliced. 4 cloves of garlic, a small piece of ginger, rampe or pandan leaf, cinnamon, cloves, few curry leaves, chicken stock cube, butter and some black pepper powder. This recipe serves 2 to 3 people. So 200 grams of rice will be ample for about 2 to 3 serves. I have washed the rice well. Now to this rice add some water, about just so the rice is submerged. So quantity wise I would say about 500 ml of water, and we are going to add salt at the end. So here we'll just add 1 teaspoon of salt, mix it, and we have to boil this rice. We have to boil it and drain it. So let's now keep the rice on the stove. So let's get the rice cooked first. It'll take about 10 minutes. Once the rice is cooked, we are going to drain the water. So let's get the rice cooked. So until the rice is cooking, I'm going to crush the garlic and the ginger. You can use garlic or ginger paste, but once I find that when you use crushed garlic and crushed ginger, the taste is better. So I'm just going to crush it. Right, so the garlic and the ginger is done. After 10 minutes, the rice is done. We now have to drain it. So switch off the stove. So till the rice is draining well, let's get the onions and everything sorted. So place a pan, medium heat. So once the pan heats up, we'll add some butter. About 1 tablespoon worth of butter, and let the butter melt. So the butter is melted, we'll add the cinnamon, the onions, cloves, curry leaves and the pandan leaves. This is rampe or pandan leaves. Add that and saute well. You don't have to fry for a very long time. Now this is after about 2 minutes of frying. We add the crushed ginger and the garlic. Another 2 minutes of sauteing is enough. Medium flame all the time so that nothing gets burnt. Always remember. Now, this is 1 chicken stock cube worth of stock. This is tiny one, so I've taken 4. But if you have a large one, use only 1 chicken stock cube. Okay, add that in and let that get dissolved. While that is happening, we need to add about a teaspoon of black pepper powder. Okay, and mix that in as well. About 1 teaspoon of salt is enough now, because we've already added salt for when we boil the rice, and there's chicken stock cube as well. So about 1 teaspoon of salt is more than enough. If it's not enough, you can add more according to your taste. Now everything is mixed well and fried well. Now at this stage we'll add the cooked rice. The rice is cooked and well drained. Add that in and mix. Saute for about 30 to 40 seconds, that's it, not too much. At this stage, switch off the stove. The stove is switched off now, and in that heat, let everything mix. If you don't switch it off, the rice will get burnt, and this is perfectly fine. Now, leave it for a minute in the pan before serving into a serving dish. So this rice, I'm going to serve it. As I said, it serves perfectly for 2 people. 200 grams of rice is perfect for 2 people. Do try this recipe out, it's really nice. It pairs well with a nice chicken curry. In the iCard, the Sri Lankan chicken curry, you can check that out and try this out on a Sunday. See, perfect. This rice goes well with Sri Lankan chicken curry. Try this white savory rice Sri Lankan way, and do let me know how you liked it. When you try it, take photographs and share it on my social media, on Facebook and also on Instagram. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss a new recipe from me. And not only subscribe, you have to hit the bell icon button as well. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy this video. So until I see you guys next time with yet another recipe, this is your Vic signing off. Bye.